Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ZenPad 3S, and today I will show you how to insert SD card into this device. So to get started, you will need a little tool for that. As you can see, I have one right here. They can provide you with a device, you can find it somewhere in the box, but if you don't want to bother, you can always use a paper clip and straighten out one on the edges, and it should work just well enough. So from there you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the left side, upper left side of the device, as you can see right now. And when you take it out, you have access only space for just the memory card. And you place it like so, as you can see. Make sure that it's laying flush on there, and then while holding it securely so it doesn't actually fall out, you want to slide it back into the device. Okay, and that's about it. Now if we unlock and go into the storage, you should see, there it is, internal or what, shared. Or is the SD card? Not really sure where the SD card here is located. But yeah, that's basically how you would insert the SD card into this device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.